The final step to your project is adding your bibliography to your iMovie. You want to make sure you add bibliography to doc to get all of your citations onto your page. If you have any citations from other places, you'll need to copy that citation, cut it, and then paste it in the correct alphabetical order for the page. You want to make sure it's formatted the same as the others. Then you'll want to select all of your information, change the text color so that it will show up on the black screen inside of iMovie. You'll want to change the font size. I suggest the font size of 36 or 48. And then you'll want to copy that information. Once you've copied your text from Google Docs, you're going to want to go to Titles in iMovie, choose Scrolling Titles, and bring that down into your film. And then you're going to paste your information directly into the scrolling titles. Once you've done that, you'll want to make sure that you check the box so that it stays, and then you'll want to go to the time and make the duration at least 30 seconds. This time does not count for or against your project time, and it's important for you to put the information in there slow enough for Mr. Carnahan to be able to see what information you have in your bibliography. Once you've got your bibliography set, it's time to share your film. So you're going to go to Share, and we're going to be sharing a file. The file we want to share needs to be in the large format size, so if it's not, click on there and change it. And you do not want to add it to the theater, so if that box is checked, please uncheck it. Then you're going to go to Next. You want to make sure you have it saved as your name, Carnahan and What is America, and you want to make sure that's saved to the desktop. If it's not, please change it. Once you hit Save, it's going to give you a time clock circle in the upper right-hand corner of iMovie. If you click on that once, it will tell you how many minutes until your movie is completely shared. Once you've hit Share on iMovie, you'll notice on your desktop you will have a file sitting there with the name of your movie, and it has a Q on a piece of paper. That means your file is not ready to play. Once it's done sharing and the circle goes away in the upper right hand corner, you'll notice your file changes to look like a little movie, and you'll have the box in the upper right hand corner that says shared successfully. Once that's completed and your movie is shared, you're ready to turn it in. To turn it in, you need to go to your Google Drive, click on Shared with Me, and then find your folder for Mr. Carnahan. It should say Your Class Period, What is America, Carnahan. You're going to click on your file and drag it in. Then your file will upload to the file that Mr. Carnahan has shared with you. When it first imports, you'll notice that it has the name with the little red film strip symbol. Your movie is turned in, but it's not processed yet, so you won't be able to watch it. Once it processes, you'll see that it changes to an actual film. You can play it and notice your film is there ready to view. This is where Mr. Carnahan will go to grade your film.